No, I get you. It's just, what if everyone watching this figures out that the title and the thumbnail are clickbait? And what if I have to change the title and the thumbnail, and then what are they going to think this bit is about? It's not going to make any sense to them. No, of course they're going to figure it out. They're about to watch the... Oh my God. Okay, they're here. Just go away. Hi, guys. Yes, I'm filming vertically because I do not want you guys to see what the rest of my room looks like right now. It's a travesty, so don't even worry about it. You should have seen this coming if you had seen my last video, which clearly stated that swinging on web lines formed with web fluid was impossible. So, you know, this is on you if you actually clicked on this video expecting to see what I told you was going to be in this video. Okay, maybe I lied a little bit, but it worked for Mr. Sunday Movies, okay? Okay, but don't click away, okay? This is super important. All right, I don't just do web fluid and web shooters and the gadgets and stuff, okay? I have a soft heart. I care for the greater good of our society, okay? And I want you guys to know that, because I'm a shallow person. That doesn't really make any sense. And the real reason I'm making this video is because I promised, nay, I pledged, nay, I devoted myself to the idea of donating all of the ad revenue from what is undoubtedly my most popular video to date, Spider War, to the Hurley Foundation associated with Hurley Medical Center in Flint, Michigan. They had a rough go of it during the first year of the pandemic, and they're having an even rougher go of it right now. So thanks, guys. This is all our fault as human beings. So I'm sure they could use the money, and I'm proud to be helping them out. It's not in my own backyard in Ann Arbor where we filmed Spider War, but it's about 40 minutes north. And, you know, they've been struggling for a while. You guys have heard Flint in the news, so, you know, it's time for me to help them out. So let's see how much revenue I got from Spider War. Let's see. All right, we got to go back in time to before 2021. Oh, there it is. All right, it's going to be a lot of revenue, guys. I'm so excited. We're really going to help them out. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding? We worked so hard. You telling... Oh. It's just, okay. You know what? It's not you guys' fault. It's not your fault. It's the algorithm. Every time I try to branch out, it does this to me. I cannot express to you how much effort I put into this video. Blood Spider trained for months, and then he broke his leg, and then he kept going. I trained for months, and then I didn't break anything, but it was really cool. All the stunts, and who didn't watch it? Raise your hand. Show of hands. Who didn't watch it? Because it's not your fault. It's not your fault. It's okay. It's totally fine. I get it. I mean, just take a look at this cut of stunts that we pulled off. I mean, does that look like amateur hour to you, huh? You're lucky we raised $125 in the actual fundraiser, otherwise I'd be going crazy by now. But $8? Are you telling me that I dramatically pledged, nay, promised, nay, devoted myself to donate $8 of my money to a charity? You kidding me? No, we got to do better than that. We got to do better than that. Let's see. What can we do? What can we do? I got it. How much money did I make in the whole year of 2020? The year that this was posted. How much money did I make? My first monetized year. Let's see. $161.01. That's more like it. I'll donate that to the Hurley Foundation. All right. You go, Hurley. Go save some lives. Now, I really want you guys to understand, this video wasn't just about me showing that I have a philanthropic spirit, okay? It's in the greater spirit of, holy crap, what the hell happened to our society in the past 2 years? It's no stranger to me that people don't like hearing about what's going on in the world, because every time I try to make a video about it, it tanks, okay? I understand a lot of people in the RLSH community may have an issue with what I do, considering I'm just all flashy and about gadgets, and that seems super fake to them, and I understand. I understand that a lot of people in the gadget community might find it strange that I dress up in a costume and try to help people, because that seems super weird. But the thing is, this is who I am, this is what I do. I can use this platform for the greater good. I'm devoted to it. It's why I'm heavily planning on starting my laboratory, Dragline Dynamics, which will be a non-profit company that can survive on the revenue of selling gadgets like web shooters, but also dig its hands into the real problems of tomorrow that actually affect people without having to worry about financial incentives that hold so many people back from doing the right thing. I think it's clear to a lot of us that money is causing a lot of problems in this world, and yeah, that's not the vibe for me. Absolutely not. You've seen my videos. I'm a pretty knowledgeable guy. I have a bachelor's degree. I could go work for some defense company and make hundreds of thousands of dollars a year making things that kill children. No, that's not the vibe for me. I'm sorry. So I'm gonna try my best at this and see where it goes. I probably am going to fail, but I'm gonna give it my best shot. Also, go watch Spider War. What are you doing? It's so good. Just go watch it. I've got some super cool projects coming for you guys, okay? Next video is going to be about Doc Ock, and then I've got this super cool glove to talk about. I've already been showing this stuff off on Instagram, guys. Come on, follow me on there. If you're not, what are you doing? You're missing out on all this stuff. All right, and I got this advanced web shooter is coming real soon. Gonna interface with my power pack. I wish I could show it off to you right now, but the frickin' remote is still charging on my desk. I thought it would be done while I'm filming this video, but it is not. Yeah, it's got a screen, some interfaces, temperature control, motorized valve actuation. We are moving to the big leagues, guys, so please follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. Please support me on Patreon or buy my merch. We got some cool items, including something like this. It would really help me get Dragline Dynamics up and running. I am determined to do it. I mean, so what if nobody gives a shit? Wait a minute. So what if nobody gives a shit? Hold on a second. What if I change the title in the thumbnail? They're not going to know what this means. Well, I guess it wasn't clickbait after all. Stay safe, stay amazing, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally